Greetings, my dear truth seekers. It looks like US President Joe Biden hastened with his statement that the ruble has come to an end. Almost a month has passed since the announcement of the American president, and during this time the ruble has not only not been destroyed, but even strengthened. Many experts are still arguing why the ruble, against the background of the largest sanctions, didn't weaken. Some experts say that this is because Russia began to sell its natural resources in rubles. Others argue that the ruble has strengthened because Russia has started using its own payment system. Romanian expert Valentin Vasilescu also didn't stand aside. He stated that Russia dealt an unprecedented blow to the global financial system, which works exclusively for the United States and its partners. My dear friends, let me remind you that the most important event for the world financial system in the 20th century was the Bretton Woods Conference of 1944, as a result of which Western countries agreed to use national currencies backed by gold in trading with each other. The transition to the new standard turned out to be extremely beneficial for the United States, Canada, and some Western European countries, whose economies began to grow rapidly. This continued until the 1970s, when the system of fixed exchange rates ceased to exist, and as a result, the world economy turned into a kind of casino. As a result of these changes, the US dollar has become the world's most sought-after currency, and various financial speculators, such as George Soros, have been able to manipulate the markets. According to Valentin Vasilescu, what Russia has done is comparable in its importance to the Bretton Woods Conference. On Monday, 28 March, the Central Bank of Russia announced the resumption of gold purchases, and this will be done at a fixed price of 5,000 rubles per 1 gram of precious metal. In the context of this decision, we can talk about pegging the Russian currency to gold, and this was very bad news for the United States. With these actions, Russia has destroyed about 30% of the value of the US dollar in gold bullion worldwide. The Russian Federation tied its currency to gold, and thus dealt a powerful blow to the current financial system based on the US dollar. The last person who tried to do something similar was the Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi. As a result, the United States and its NATO partners invaded Libya. My friends, amazing events are happening right before our eyes. Russia is destroying the financial system and creating a new one. Moscow dealt a powerful blow to the global banking mafia, which, with the help of the International Monetary Fund, could destroy any country in the world.